money. Hi guys, it's Georgie, and today I'll be doing super duper cheap DIY room decor, and this costs around $1 to $3 to make each one. And yeah, remember to like this video and subscribe down below and click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, let's get started. So for this DIY, all you're gonna need are some scissors, a dowel, and then some yarn. I got these for super duper cheap, about 10 cents each. So basically, you're just gonna take your yarn and cut it into the same length a bunch of times. I can't really explain it, but you can just see what I'm doing here. So next you're just going to take your string and put in like a loop like form thing, and then I can't explain it as you can see. My hand's blocking it, sorry about that, but you're just going to take your string, and then when it's in like the loop form, you're going to stick the other part of the string through it. You can kind of see what I'm doing there, but you're basically just making a loop knot. So you're just going to want to continue doing that with all your string until you have something that looks like this. It's really, really cute, and I honestly love the colors, and it was super duper cheap too. For the next DIY, you're just going to need a pillow, some yarn. I have these really, really cute colors, and some scissors. I also forgot to mention that you'll also need a hot glue gun. So first you're going to take your yarn and wrap it around your hand about 40 times. You could also use a fork for this. So once you're done, you're going to want to cut off the excess yarn, and then you're going to want to slip it off your hand, and then cut off another small piece of yarn, so then you could wrap that around the pom-pom that's about to be. As you can see what I'm doing. I can't really explain it, but yeah. So once you did that, you're just gonna want to cut the like little strands. Sorry about the background noise, but yeah, you're just gonna want to cut the strands until it looks like a pom-pom. Then once you have all your pom-poms, I made about 20 in total. You're just going to want to hot glue them onto the sides of the pillow. So for the next DIY, you're gonna need some gold paint, a paintbrush, but I'm lazy, so I'm using a Q-tip, and a pot. You can either use a bowl or like this little plate looking shape. And you'll also need some markers. So on your pot, you're just gonna wanna draw little sprinkle looking designs. You can do any design you want, but I really like these and I thought it turned out super duper cute. So finally, you're going to want to take your gold paint and just paint around the sides of the pot. I'm doing the very top, but you could also use gold leafing for this, or you could just not paint it at all. but I think it looked really cute and it gave it a little extra pop of color. So that's it for this DIY. I think it's so cute and it's super duper affordable. It cost about $4 in total, $2 for the paint and then $2 for the pot. And I think everybody has some markers at home. So for the next DIY, all you're going to need is a corkboard, two actually, a paintbrush, and some paint. So all I'm doing is painting the corkboard pink. The corkboard will still work, don't worry, but it'll just be prettier with a pink color. Comment down below if you find time lapses satisfying. I do. And sorry for my voice, I'm sick because it's a different day I'm filming this. So here's what it looked like. I think it's really cute. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to subscribe for more videos like these and comment down below any video suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you guys with a new video probably soon, just because I haven't been posting as much, just because like I've been trying to make really good videos. Like this one took about 2 weeks to make because like I have school and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys with a new video soon. Okay, bye!